Good morning, Primary 2. Today's lesson is Lesson 1 in the grammar, which is the present continuous. I know that you have covered this lesson last year, but we're going to cover it also this year, and it's a very easy and nice lesson. You will like it very much. Okay, let's remember it. Okay, when do we use the present continuous tense? Okay, we use the present continuous tense in order to speak about actions that are happening at the moment or happening during the time of speaking. For example, I have here, I'm eating my lunch at the moment. At the moment here means now. I'm eating my lunch now. Okay. Actually, we have keywords to give us the impression of the present continuous tense. These words help us to determine that this tense is a present continuous tense, like now, at the moment, at the present time, look, listen, smell, shh, keep quiet, right now, today, these days, this month, this year. Whenever you see any of them, this means that this is the present continuous. Okay. Actually, the form of the present continuous is very easy. How? Okay, I always draw a butterfly. Okay. Here. This is the body of the butterfly. And this is the first wing. And this is in the first wing, I write here am, is, are. Her body is the verb, and the other wing is the I and N. Okay. Can the butterfly fly with one wing only? No. Can she fly with her body only without wings? Of course not. Can she fly with the other wing only without this one? Of course she can't. Okay. So the present continuous consists of the body of the butterfly and its two wings. I can say here am is are plus the verb plus ing. Again, am is are plus the verb plus ing. Okay, this is how to form the present continuous. Very well. Let's move to this nice picture of the butterfly. The butterfly is saying, I can't fly without one of the three parts of my body. Am is are, the verb, and the ing. Very well. Okay, how to add the ing to the verb? Okay, the first case, if we have a verb that ends with e, I cross the e and write ing instead. For example, the verb write. Here, the verb write. What do? I delete the e and I write ing. So it will be writing. I'm writing the lesson at the present time. Making, here also it ends with an e, so I omit the e and I write ing directly. Okay. If the verb here, like the verb swim here, swim, the letter that precedes the last letter is a vowel. Remember what are the vowels? Huh? A, E, I, O, U. I want you to write these notes on your booklets to remind yourself. If the verb here, like swim, has a vowel before the last letter, what shall I do? I double the last letter. Like swim, it will be swimming. Yes, very good. Sit, S-I-T, sit. Here I have a vowel, so it will be sitting. Okay, run, R-U-N. Okay, I have here a vowel, so running. Okay, this is how to add ing. The last case you will study this year is the verbs that that ends with IE. I change it to the Y. For example, the verb die. Shall I say dying like this? No, this is wrong. I write like this. Dying. I change the IE here to a Y. That's it. Difficult or easy? Yes, easy, easy, lemon squeezy. Very good. Okay, write the continuous form of the following verbs, which means add the ing. Laugh, it will be laughing. Okay. Hop, uh-oh, be careful. This is a vowel, so it will be hop, ping. Yes, I doubled the last letter. Okay, ride, it ends with an E. What shall I do? Yes, cross the E out, so it will be riding. Very well. Climb, yes, nothing to do. Climbing. Climbing. Okay. This is an N. Okay, very well. Okay, and so on. We will do the same in the next verbs. Here, we're going to complete am, is, or are. Of course, who are the friends of am, and the friends of is, and the friends of are? Am has only one friend, which is I. I am. Who are the friend of is? He, she, and it. Very well. Who are the friends of are? Yes. We, you, and they. Very well. I think it's better to write these notes in front of you. Fine. We have the first one, the first exercise. The girls singing now. Okay. The girls. I do not have any pronouns. I do not have he. I do not have she. I don't have anything. What shall I do? The girls. Plural. Many girls. What do I say about them? Yes, I write they. And they is a friend of? Yes, they are. So they are singing now. Very good. Okay, and so on. The baby, one, whether he or she. Okay, and by the way, with the baby, I use it because I do not know the gender of the baby, so I use it. So the baby is crying. Very good. Mary and Jane, two persons here. Mary and Jane. So it is they. So I write yes, are, and so on. Okay, you will find the model answer uploaded on your e-school. Okay. Here, correct the verb between the brackets. It's the same idea like we did before. Listen, number one, listen, she talked to her father. Listen, listen, I want you to underline the key word. Listen is the key word of the present continuous. Listen, she is talking to her father. Very good. Okay, number two, my mother chopped the potatoes at the moment. So my mother, yes, at the moment, this is the key word. I want you to underline it or to highlight it as you wish. My mother is chopping. Chopping means she's cutting. She's making slices of potatoes. My mother is chopping the potatoes at the moment. Very good. Let's move to another kind of exercise. Okay. It's the same idea. We're going to repeat it in order to understand it very well. Okay, how to make the negative? Okay, the negative is very easy. To negate a sentence in the present continuous tense, we put not. Yes, very good. We put not after the verb. To be, am not, is not, are not. For example, they aren't eating now. She isn't crying. Very well. Okay, so this is how to make the sentence negative. I will make one with you. Okay. My brother is picking up is picking up flowers. So I write here my brother, yes, is not or isn't picking up flowers. Okay. Julia is saving money to buy a laptop. Julia is not or isn't saving money to buy a laptop. This is how to make a sentence negative. Okay. Here, correct the verb between the brackets. How to correct the verb. Mom not watch TV at the moment. Mom. Mom means she. And she is a friend of is. So, mom is what? I have not here. Mom is not watching. Mom is not watching TV at the moment. Very well. Number 2, look. Don't forget to underline or to circle or to highlight the keyword. Look, all the students laugh. Students, plural, so I will use are. Look, all the students are what? Laughing. All the students are laughing at you. Very well. Okay, this is how to correct the verbs in this exercise. Now, it's time to form a question. Okay, the first thing is the yes-no question. Am is an are, and then the pronoun, then the verb with ing. Let's take an example here. I have here an answer saying, yes, she's eating. What shall I do here? First of all, I will omit the yes. I will omit the yes. Very good. What shall I do next? She's eating. What shall I do? Yes. Cross. The scissors wave. Okay, slide down here and slide down here. Is she eating? And don't forget the question mark. If I have an answer with no, what shall I do? The first thing is to cross the no. No, they aren't sleeping. I cross the negative here. So, and then I will make a scissor. Fine. Here I will start, of course, the R will go down here. It will be capitalized, yes. Are they sleeping? And this is the end. At the end, I put what? I put a question mark. Very good. The next type of question is the WH question. WH question means to put any question word like when, who, where, what. Okay. What, and then is are, and then pronoun, verb with ing. Let's see here an example. Okay, change the sentence into question. Yes, the thieves are running away. What is the first thing to do? Very good. Yes, I crossed the yes. The thieves are running. Okay, so I will make a scissor here. Are the thieves running away? And then question mark. Okay, this is I will answer a type for the yes/no question and another type of WH question. Here, number 3. They are building a new house. Here, a new house is a thing. If you want to ask about a thing, what shall you use? You use what. So I will write here, what are they building? What are they building? Let's write the answer. The answer is they are building a new house. That's good. Okay, that's fine. That's fine, and this is the lesson of today. Hope that you are understanding this lesson, and you will find the model answer on the eSchool. Thank you for listening. See you later.